So guys, I was taking a panorama from here up to here because I want to merge it and maybe to do a composite. But I'm not really sure because there is a beautiful sunset. I really like it. In reality, it's better than what you see now. So I'm waiting for some waves, for some action in the foreground here of my photo, because now I switched to landscape and I want to see the result of this landscape versus the pano for this kind of place. So I'm waiting for another big wave because one just passed I think 2 minutes ago, and no, it's not this one. It has to be one bigger so we can see the waves crashing. And now I switched the composition. I have only this carolet and this carolet in the same photo and with this foreground. I don't know if I took a picture. Here was from the first wave crashing. So yeah,